Sister! I'm gonna be speechless.
Back to my channel. Today I'm here with Ronnie hair, lace wigs and hair extension. That's what it says on the bottom part of the name. Comes in a simple black box. Okay, this is the package, this is the bag that the wig is in. But before we get into that, I got an extra elastic band, a scrunchie, 2 wig caps. That's everything that came in the box. Okay, so for the wig, so this is today's wig. So this is actually a lace closure, a 5x5 lace closure, clear lace closure highlight blonde wig, and it's 22 inches long, and I am doing a makeover with this today. Yes, the lace closure it comes pre-plucked and it's nice in the front. The lace is pretty thin and we're working with clear lace today. It also has a fake scalp portion on the inside, which is always good because that eliminates you having to necessarily braid your hair or do a ball cap method. So that works well. It also comes with an extra elastic band on the inside, adjustable straps in the back, and 3 combs in total in the cap. So the hair feels so soft already. That's what I can tell you. It's nice, silky, soft, and it's amazing. It does have a nice deep part, so I'm looking forward to doing that nice deep center part on this. Also, yeah, it's full from the roots to the tip to the end, and that's very nice. It's full and nice. So yeah, as I said before, this is a clear lace. You see that parting? Super nice, and it just looks so natural. Like I'm just putting it against my arm and it looks so good. So that's a go. Have these lace samples once more to just refresh your memory that how different these laces, the different laces actually look when applied. So let me show you. I did show you this in a recent video, but I'm showing you again, just so you know. So it's also known as a Swiss lace. Okay, the clear lace, don't get it too confused. So I have the Swiss lace here, which is a very undetectable transparent lace, which is really good as well. And then we have the regular medium brown lace. So it's just to show you the difference. So the medium brown lace is actually the easiest one to detect. It's thicker. I'm not sure if you can pick that up, but it's definitely thicker. With the Swiss lace, it's like it's harder to tell. You know, it's there, but it's harder to tell, and we want what's more natural looking, you know. So I just need to put them side by side and let you guys kind of see for yourself. That's how that looks. So now that I kind of went over that with you guys once more, let's go ahead and jump into today's makeover. So this is today's model.
Hi guys, you know, new to the channel, big up yourself, you know, subscribe, like, you know, share up the video, man. Follow yourself, Team Nikki.
Yeah,
right, sure.
So we're doing a little glam today, hair and makeup. So yeah, that's what I have for you guys today, and let's see what she thinks about it.
The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. I'm reaching out, but all I feel is hollow. I wanna make you work, but all I do is make you worse. The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. Don't you wanna come on over? Don't you wanna work it out? Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna fix our problems? Baby, I can show you how. Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now?
love the way the Swiss lace is looking, melted right into her skin. So now I'm just gonna use my mousse and some of this curl refreshing spray to get these curls nice and juicy and popping. So that's all I'm gonna move on to. The hair feels so good. It does have a little weight, but it's nothing like, you know, like, oh my gosh, it's heavy.
Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a top floor. Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a top floor.
So she fully ready for see herself. This, I really love this. It's like it melted really nice, the lace closure portion, and she could still put it behind her ear if she wish, even though it's not a full-on lace front and stuff. But yeah, I really love the lace quality. The hair texture feels good. It's soft, it's manageable, installed nicely, quickly. Watch her, ready for the mirror. Alright, my get the mirror now. So let's go. Yeah.
No, sir. I have to have speechless. I have to jump in that event. Thank you. I love it so much. Oh, the lace smelled right in.
Yeah.
Makeup on point. Girl, you're talented. I like
It's the running the and through the air.
Right? Yeah, so let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. If you're interested in this gorgeous wig, I'm going to be putting all the specifications on it. The direct link where you can go ahead and purchase it. It's really soft and nice. And you could go ahead and not wet it up. You know, it's kind of just the vibe that I was going for. So that's what I did. Her skin is nice and glowy. So don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and go ahead and check out her channel.
Yes. KBS.
Yes.
Who up my girly channel Life as Nikki.
Yeah, they're always, you know, uploading content over there, and it's a vibe. It's a complete vibe. So yeah, go ahead and support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just want to big up on yourself. Bye.